Bitcoin just keeps on falling towards the downside after this Bitcoin breakdown, exactly hitting that breakout target and on top of that massive support. So we need to be talking about that exactly. What is going to be happening next? Can we still expect a massive bounce for Bitcoin? So can we once again push up the likes back above the 150 likes? That will be absolutely amazing, and as always, let's have a look into what's that short term, and that imminent short term for Bitcoin is actually quite interesting because in that short term, Bitcoin has been falling towards the downside while we were still trading inside of a weekend. And because of this, we have just created a new CME gap above us. And we do know that 99% of these CME gaps tend to get filled rather sooner than later. So for this CME gap, once again, I do expect it is going to be getting filled. So yeah, in my opinion, a little bit of a bounce is to be expected. Now I'm going to be talking about exactly why I do think so. But yeah, first of all, Bitcoin has been absolutely dumping towards the downside. Now, I've been talking about this breakout target. Of course, at the point of this breakdown, we were talking about this breakout target of 62.5k. Now, personally, I did not think it was going to be likely to be getting hit after hitting this level of support. But yeah, eventually still fell down below it, confirmed it as resistance, and right now we have hit that breakout target. But this huge breakout target is exactly confluencing with major levels of support. And this was exactly where I've been tweeting about yesterday. If Bitcoin reaches its 62.5k level, I expect a major bounce from of this massive support, because this massive support is the golden pocket Fibonacci level of support. In my opinion, it is one of the strongest levels of support in this entire range right now. And on top of that, we can also be having a look still into what's this downtrending level of support. Also from of this level, Bitcoin is getting supported. It is already even bouncing in that imminent short term. But yeah, we are getting some more confluence over there, while at the same time still that Bitcoin CME gap is sitting above us. Also still having a look into what's the majority of the Bitcoin liquidity, that is also still sitting above us. And also Bitcoin is flashing an insane new signal right now. And because of all of these reasons, well, it just makes a lot of sense in my opinion to see a little bit of a bounce, or at least some kind of a relief rally towards the upside. And then whenever we are hitting this level, then we need to choose if we are either going to be seeing this correction further towards the downside, or if we are going to be breaking back towards the upside. Now for now, in my opinion, it does make a lot of sense to see this relief rally towards the upside. Now if we are going to be losing this level of support, if we're going to be falling down below, well then most definitely we do still have that support sitting below us from of this huge entire consolidation range. Of course, at that moment, we need to be having a look into what's that 60k level, which is still a little bit underneath us. So yeah, a crucial level right now to hold for Bitcoin. I do think we are going to be holding this level because of all of these reasons, but still, if we are going to be falling down below, it is not looking good for Bitcoin. Anyways, yes, Bitcoin might be forming some kind of a new level of support over here, and because of this level of support, we might start to have a look into what's this ascending triangle being created. This might be a very bullish pattern. If we can be seeing this bounce from of this level, this is looking extremely good. But then, first of all, we need to be seeing that bounce. Now, on that 3-day time frame as well, Bitcoin is creating another hidden bullish divergence. Of course, we have been creating this hidden bullish divergence over here. That one has been playing out with this move towards the upside, but right now, Bitcoin is creating another hidden bullish divergence, potentially even a double hidden bullish divergence right now. Definitely indicating that yes, strength might be coming in right now in towards Bitcoin. That is looking very good, just like the Bitcoin funding rates, which are still trading extremely low, and on Bybit, even in the negative, also on Bitcat by the way, which means that yeah, the majority of the Bitcoin market is actually trying to short right now. The majority of the traders are shorting the market, and we do know that usually the majority of the market is wrong. So let's see. What is going to be happening next for Bitcoin? Yes, we have been having a look into this falling wedge pattern, and yes, right now we really have to say it has been breaking down, but we can still be having a look into this falling wedge over here, and in this case still, if we are going to be seeing this bounce from off this level, we can still be expecting this bounce, and eventually, whenever we are going to be breaking above this level of resistance, I think that then we are going to be seeing our major bounce. Anyways, before talking about two very important charts, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading yourself, definitely make sure to be checking out that link down below, because with that link down below, you can right now be claiming a free $50 on your initial sign up, and on top of that, whenever you deposit $100, you are going to be eligible for another $50 completely for free. So definitely make sure to be checking out the link down below, and also whenever you use my code down below, you will be getting another 20% on top of whatever you're going to be depositing. So if you deposit $1,000, you're going to be getting another $200 completely for free, and also you can be covering up to 50% of your trading fees. So definitely make sure to be checking it out. Over on Margex, you can be trading with up to 100x leverage. Anyways, yes, Bitcoin on that larger time frame is just very close towards hitting that 20 weekly moving average. Now, if we are once again going to be hitting this level of support, I think it is going to be massive, and we can be expecting a major bounce like we can be seeing in history. Well, this moving average has supported and resisted Bitcoin many times in the past. So yeah, if we are once again going to be retracing back towards this level, this is going to be a very important level to be paying attention in towards. Also, yeah, this moving average is exactly sitting at the 61.7k level. So if we were to be breaking slightly below our golden pocket Fibonacci level of support, wicking down below it slightly and then pushing back up, well then we would be hitting our moving average, and still we would be faking out our golden pocket, grabbing that liquidity down below, and then bounce off towards the upside. So yeah, very interesting. Anyways, the Bitcoin RSI on that daily time frame is reaching levels not seen since August of 2023. Right now, the RSI indicator is coming very close towards being in these oversold territories we have not seen since August. We are just having similar opportunities like we were having in last summer, reaching these oversold areas, which in my opinion is definitely looking extremely good for Bitcoin. Anyways, if you do want to be staying up to date about every single market development, make sure to be following me over on Twitter, and guys, I will see you in another update video tomorrow morning.